So, new week, it's Tuesday today. Monday, nothing really to report about because I was doing a lot of paperwork, so not really much to show you there. So, what we're up to this week. So, priority at the moment is Pilote. That's had all the mechanical side done now. Now we're doing all the habitation side on that today, so hopefully we'll get no surprises. A couple of jobs to be done on it, and I'll show you them as we get them done. Auto trail, yeah, we're just doing the aerial on that because that wasn't too good, the aerial, so we thought we'd put a new one on it. That's a TV aerial, so we're getting one of them put on up there, and that is going out this week. So me and Kev are going to film this Rapido. I'm afraid to say this sold over the weekend. I really like this one actually, but me and Kev are going to get this filmed up for YouTube. Right, so he's the project van. So we're going to make a start on that today. So the first thing we're going to do, if you can see, is the bathroom. And what we're going to do is we're going to rip it all out and see what we've got. Because if you can see, it's just showing its age. We've got cracks here. Not loving the mirrors at all either. So what we'll do is we'll rip it out, see what we've got to work with, and then put a plan to do the bathroom. So Thursday, horrible, dark, dank, wet, miserable winter's day. What we're up to, let me show you. So I'll show you where we're up to with the Naus rebuild. Let's have a look where we're up to. So if we go inside now, remember that shower? That's all been ripped out there. See it? All ripped out. I've ordered some boards. So what we want to do first thing is make it completely waterproof. So what we can do then is, obviously whoever has the van, it's completely watertight, so you can have a shower in there. So today's job is, I quite like these cupboards, but what I want to do is I want to take the hob out, take the sink out, take the work top off, and I'm going to order some new ones for that as well. And I'm just deciding, do I keep the fridge? Let me just show you. There's the fridge. And just completely modernise that up because it is a three-way anyway. So, what to do? Let's crack on. I think winter is finally here. It's a cold, cold one today. Let me just tell you what I'm up to. So there we have little Volkswagen. So that's all ready now for the customers to come. So I'm just waiting for them. Got the awning out, got the pop top up. There we go. Nice little campervan. So let's just quickly show you inside. So there we go, there's the inside the van. Oh, it's starting to rain now as well. Swivel seats, so I've turned them around so we can see that. And then what I've got here, let me just open this up for you. We've got a little compressor fridge there. I've got that all going at the moment. We've got a 2-burner hob. There's the sink, rock and roll bed. What I did do on this, let me just show you. If you can just see in there, there wasn't a regulator on, so we've put a new regulator on now. And there we go, all ready to go. New day, no rain, lots of sun. Look at that.
Fireball in sky.
So, what's the plan? The auto sleeper, that's all checked off, all cleaned out. We've just got to wash that out. That's ready for the customer. What we're doing now is we're checking the Pilote off. That's nearly done. Checking the auto trail off. Just show you one of the last jobs that we're doing on the Pilote. The customer has requested that we put a PowerPoint in, so if you can just see there, we're just putting a PowerPoint in. Well, I'm not putting a PowerPoint in, no. I'm just supervising. And then, if we have a look, we've just started checking off the F60. I really like these vans actually. The reason why it looks like a bomb's hit is because we have all the cushions up, so we can get at all the different appliances, checking all the pipes. So, there we are today. Let's crack on and get a bit more work done. So, dead excited. I ordered some shower panels, wall panels, didn't I? Yeah. Some wall panels then for the Naus, so we can crack on with the build there and get that shower done. Panels have come, and then the excitement just went down bank like that. Down bank it went, down bank. Because look what's happened. Look at that. It's Brock.
Well and truly broken.
And then again, look. Brock.
What's a badger?
Brock. So let's not get disheartened. Let's get back onto the company, give them a ring, give them the bad news, and then let's get some more panels out. Did you check these?
Trims are okay, yeah.
These are trims, so we're all right with the trims.
Well packaged, actually.
Oh, they were well packaged.
Yeah, they were for the edges.
Ah.
Not when they go and throw things on top of them.
So let's crack on, get them ordered, and let's go do something else. So we're still actively buying vans in, and look what we've just had in here. An A-Class, under 6 metres, a Pegaso 590, is that right, Kev?
590.
Yeah, A-Class.
9 metres.
There you go. It's a 2020, I think it's just done about 3,000 miles. Let's have a look inside. Yeah, 3,000 miles, Kev. We've got the dinette, we've got the drop-down bed, and then if you have a look here, we've got the centre kitchen. Nice, tall, slimline fridge as well. And then at the back, we've got the washroom and the separate shower there. So that's just arrived, and that's probably going to be around about the 70,000. So Friday, last day of the week really. I think I'm going to have a weekend off this weekend. There's our house. Let's have a look what we've been up to. So nothing happening at the moment, but just let me show you this garage here. It's getting quite full up with all bits that we've taken out of the van. So let's show you where I'm up to with the inside of the house. So there's the kitchen. We've took the worktop up. We've took the sink out that was there. We've taken the hobs out that are there as well. So I'm going to source now. I'm looking for a nice worktop there to put on. And then, if you remember, we took everything out the shower. And then if you can just see here, let me just show you. We're keeping this cabinet, and I don't know if it'll see proper, but we've sprayed that up with an acrylic spray. Same again. We've sprayed that up, and then what we'll do is we'll put a nice lacquer over the top of that. So there you go. We're starting to move along with this now. So let's see what we get up to next week with it.